Alright, we're back to the B grade movie.
Why B?
We're back to the B grade movie before I got rudely interrupted there by my unit manager. Alright, so with the movie, we tried the dedicated rap thing, and to be honest, it didn't really go too well, and so we're gonna scrap that, cousin?
Okay.
But I mean, you're the manager. You can overrule me if you like. You can bring it back. We bring it back because at the moment it's whack.
Someone can't rap.
Because I can't rap.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so we're back. This is behind the scenes. This is the trailer of the movie of the century. People want to go see Straight Outta Compton. Why you want to see Straight Outta Compton when you can see the B grade movie?
Yeah, when movie stars have a trailer, you got your front deck.
Yeah, all those rap stars, they got they got everything. You know what I got? I got my Mazda Demio. My Mazda, man. Demio. Going places in the world. Going.
Can't go out of South Auckland.
Yeah, actually I can't because I got to get the oil and that sorted tomorrow. The oil leaks and that. But hey, that's not the point. It's all about
places around South Auckland.
going places in South Auckland. People think over here that, we don't know how to style. But when you got a Mazda Demio, man, you are rolling. Cousin, roll. You're supposed to come in with me. Rolling. I still only heard myself in that, really. Let's do it together. Tai Rua Toru. Rolling. That's more. We need my niece in here because she goes rolling. Rolling. She's a bit of a psycho.
She's not a psycho.
She's psycho, man.
She's very clever.
She is clever. She knows when Papatunuku is really dirty. And she goes, ooh, that's dirty. Need to clean it up.
No, she says putty. She goes, ew.
She goes, ooh, because that's how we roll here. When we see Parunas, we go, ooh, ooh.
No, she says it like Jimmy Fallon. She goes, ew.
She says like, see, Jimmy Fallon, you need me on your show, and your ratings will go up.
She watches ooh.
And I don't
And
even.
he goes, my name is Sarah. That's spelled S-A-R-A with no H because H is a L.
See, she goes, oh, yeah. That's what she does. Psycho. Anyway, this is the B grade movie, and it's featuring yours truly, me, my Mazda Demio, my bung-eyed cat. It's got a blue eye and a green eye, and whoever random people we meet up down the street in the alleyway.
Ew.
That's how we roll. Thank you.